Hey guys, welcome to the Alligator Performance Garage. Today we're working with this 2018 Ford F-150 with a 5-liter in it. And as you can see right now, it's completely stock, kind of a boring truck. Has the factory front end with the factory headlights, has the stock suspension, so it gives a little bit of a rake on it, along with the stock wheels and tires. So like I said, it's pretty boring, pretty basic right now, and we're here to do a full transformation on that and change that. So we end up hooking with a few manufacturers. First thing, we have the Morimoto XB headlights. They're the LED headlights along with their XB series LED fog lights. We hooked up with King, and we're going to do their coilovers for the front. They're their 2.5 coilovers, fully adjustable. So we can either have the factory ride height or we can jump it up to about 2.5 inches higher than stock. So we're going to go for that full leveled look. And then in the rear, kind of that same thing, we have their 2.5 rear shocks with the resis. And then for the groundwork, we have the 18x9 305 NV series method wheels, and those are wrapped in a 33 1250 Nitto Ridge Grappler tire.